Hi guys. Okay, this is my first shot at this, so I'm going to try to record what I'm doing to add a video or a audio track to Windows Movie Maker. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and drop that down. I'm going to go into my Movie Maker, and you see my newest video on dog attacks. So since I've got this first clip that's highlighted, as you see here, I'm just going to say that I want to add music to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and first get the music clip that I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and, let's say, for the heck of it, I'm going to grab that orchid clip from Black Sabbath. That was with my last, I think it was my last video anyway. So I'm just going to use that, and whenever I save a clip to my, whenever I save a clip to work with on anything, I always put it on my desktop. That way I know where everything's at whenever I work on anything. So that's probably the best way to do it. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and grab my clip, make sure that the clip that I want the music to be added to is selected. And this bar right here is going to tell me where exactly the music should play, or where I want it to start playing. Now, if I want it to start, let's say, halfway through here, I'm just going to move the bar wherever I want it, and yeah, that's good. Okay, so then I'm just going to go add music, and I'm going to say add music at the current point, and then it's going to ask me where the clip is stored. In this case, it's stored on the desktop, so you see desktop, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to see, hey, there's my orchid, but I've also got Sultans of Swing. Which one do I want? Okay, let's say I want Sultans of Swing, because I've got a longer clip. Okay, so now I'm going to open it, and let's hear what it sounds like. And I'll get my bar to where everything starts. So here we go. So you have to understand. Oh, now what's happening? Uh-oh. I've got my video from the existing clip, and the video and the sound from my existing clip, and the sound from the music. Well, that's not going to work. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to right click Sultans of Swing, that taskbar there, I'm going to remove it just temporarily. And then what I'm going to do is, since I've already got this area highlighted, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go to edit, and you see where it says video volume? I'm going to click there, and you see where it says go mute? I'm going to make it go mute. So instantly, I now when I click onto my video to get it to run, you don't hear anything because I've turned the sound for this clip off, so that now I can add music where that bar is. So I'm going to repeat the add music whole deal again. Once again, add music at the current point. I'm going to go down, find my Sultans of Swing, open it, and it's right there. And then now when I play it, you hear nothing, and boom, Sultan of Swing. So that's how we do that. That's how you add any music to your video. That's basically it. So that's how I do that. If you want to add photos or videos, honestly, all you have to do is create photos. A lot of the photos that I make are just really simple, and I'll just go over that real quick. I'll just go into Paint, just to have something to work with. And I'm going to go ahead and go to my fill. I'm going to fill in the color black because I like black. And then I'm just going to go to that little A, and that will allow me to create a text box. And then I just put in whatever font or whatever bold or whatever color I want my text box to be. Now when I go to color 1, you're going to notice that, hey, I've got to change my color to contrast to black. So then I'm just going to put in my cursor there and type something. Let's say, hi, I am something, or something. Sure. Rockin'. Alright, so there you go. And then we can always shorten this text box up, move the mover's cursor, and then I can go up here to save it as. And when you go into saving something in Movie Maker, a lot of the time I like to work with JPEG. Pretty much everywhere deals with JPEGs. Bitmaps are old anymore, really, honestly, so if people are running off a bitmap, okay, you can, but it's just old. GIF and JPEG are pretty much the same. PNG is even more widely accepted, depending on where you're at for formatting, but I work with JPEG. That's what I like because of the compression factors and all that other stuff. But anyway, so I'm going to go JPEG, highlight my file name, and I'm going to say something. And then I'm going to go ahead and save, and it should save to my desktop. See how I've got it as a default right there to my desktop, and it says something because it's something. At which point I'm going to go back to here, and once again, where the bar is what I'm adding. So if I add, well, actually, you're going to add videos and photos in between. So just like you would move clips around to put them in correct sequence, same deal here. I'm just going to go ahead and add video, photo, go to desktop, find my something JPEG, open it, and it says, hi, I am something. Now if I want to change the duration of the length that it takes for the bar to go from point A to point B, well, then that's why I just go keep it highlighted. I go to edit, and you'll see the duration, and then I can just change how many seconds I want it to be going. I can have it go 9 seconds all the way up to 30. So that's just a real quick way of how I do what I do. So hopefully I'll do some more videos on computer stuff if you want me to. Thanks.